Hi guys, this is the unboxing of Lenovo Smart Clock Google Assistant. Supports YouTube Music, Spotify, Google Chrome and Philips Hue. Alright, let's unbox it. Ta-da! So here we have the device. The charging cable and the manual. That's it. It's actually quite small. I expected a little bigger unit. So let's power this up. So this is the tiny Lenovo Smart alarm clock. This is the back side. As you can see, there's a power plug, mic off and USB. Back side, this is the front side. Let's power it up.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so we have the app installed. Let's go to the app. So we have the app installed. Now we have to click here. Get started. Click on this. I have filled my address. Yeah, now it says Google Assistant Smart Clock found. And yes. Alright, so yeah. Okay. So you can see this is updating. connected. Okay Google. Okay Google. Oh, hey Google. Hey Google. Right. So the voice setup is done. Now it's updating. As you can see, it's 84% update done. It is quite small. Uh, I was expecting a little bigger thing. Yeah, you can see the size comparison. So here's Google Alexa, Amazon Alexa, and here's the size comparison. It's identical. Not too small, not too big. So this device has restarted after the update. Alright, let's go back to the app. Alright. Okay, this is done. Alright, so press and hold to change the clock face. These are different time clock faces you can find. Oh yeah, you have images. I'll go with this. Okay, so swipe more. Swipe more, okay. I'll set an alarm. Alright, 7 o'clock. This is a weather report.
Here you are, sipping tea, listening to great music, just taking a break from all the busyness. You deserve this. But wait a minute. Is this an ad interrupting your me time? Welcome to YouTube Music on your smart speaker. You're currently playing music stations inspired by your favorite artists, songs, or genres. To get your music on the go and choose specific songs and playlists, you can also download the YouTube Music app on your phone.
Okay Google, play top Bollywood songs from YouTube Music.
Sure, here's a Google Play music station called Top Bollywood Love Songs of 2019.
Alright, so that's about it. It's a tiny device. I hope you like it. You can find the link in the description.